As an influencer, you've created a huge following on Instagram, you've created a huge following on TikTok, you've created a huge following on YouTube, but you do not know how to monetize that following for you to start making money. Now, you already know that your community loves you, and you already know that whatever you do, your community is going to buy into it. Let me tell you how influencers can create money using print on demand. That is what this video is all about today. My name is Enny and welcome to the Print Haven. After the quick break, I'll be showing you how influencers can generate income using print on demand. I'll see you when we get back. Welcome back to the Print Haven. Like I said, my name is Enny, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to generate income as an influencer using print on demand. So, you finally built that following of 100,000 followers. However, the only way you've been able to monetize your content so far has been to promote other people's stuff, which means you're either promoting people to sign up for something using your promo code or sign up for another thing using another promo code, and you're delegating your audience and your community to other people's businesses. What I think you should do is create a stronger community by building products just for them that will make your community feel closer to you. How do you do this? Number one, you're going to create a print-on-demand business. If you've ever created content in any way, whether it's on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, or any social media platform, you can definitely create a print-on-demand business for yourself. These are the simple steps that you need. Number one, which is usually the hard part, you need to find the best person that's going to deliver to your customers. Now, this is a print-on-demand provider. So whether it's t-shirts you want to sell head warmers, you want to sell jackets, you want to sell, whatever it is that you want to sell, and you want to print your logo or maybe print like the stuff you say in your content that people like you for, or you want to print, let's say, the catchy phrases you make in your videos. For someone like Mr. Macaroni, who is a Nigerian content creator, he always says stuff like, are you there? So you can go ahead and use that "are you there," take that text and put it on a t-shirt. Now, the point is, as much as you want to put that on a t-shirt, you need to find out what is the quality of that t-shirt you're putting it on, right? Your community, they expect a certain quality from you. And this is where print-on-demand providers come in. There are a lot of print-on-demand providers in the world, but here at the Print Haven, we particularly focus on the Nigerian market and the African market. So if you're an influencer in Nigeria, you're an influencer in Africa, I would gladly suggest to you that you contact the Print Haven for them to be your print-on-demand provider. Number two, now this part is where you have to go and design what you want on your product. So this particular part, let's say you have a catchy phrase, like I said before. If you're a Mr. Macaroni and you say, are you there? You can print that on your t-shirt and let it say, are you there? If you're someone that is, maybe you have your content is created around cartoons or stuff like that, you can use those cartoons and put them on the t-shirt, put them on the face caps and all of that. So that becomes your design to draw your community and then make your community closer to you. So number two is design. Number three, now you have the design in place, you have a print-on-demand provider that's going to print for you. The number three part is even the simplest part, which you're already used to. You have to create content wearing those products. Create content wearing your face cap, wearing your t-shirts, show people that they are available for sale, and send them to your store, which is going to take me to number four. So the final one is number four. Number four, obviously you've created your design, you've gotten your print-on-demand provider. Now you already have created content around your t-shirts, your face caps, and the products you want to sell to your audience. So the final thing you need to do is How are you going to set up the place where they are buying this product? Now, if you want to set up an e-commerce store or any of those stores, you can go and put them on places like Bumper. You can get the Bumper right there. And Bumper is a Nigerian store that you can, set up all your products at, and then direct your community to either your link in bio or just send them to a link whereby they are purchasing products directly from you. So as an influencer, you can monetize your following in various ways, but the one way that you can monetize your following that draws your community closer to you is through print on demand. I hope you guys were able to get something useful from this video. Until next time, my name is Enny, and I will love to hear from you. If you're an influencer, leave a comment below if you think this works for you. If you're an influencer as well and you want to contact us, you can see our numbers here on the screen, and we'll be able to let you know the packages we have for influencers and the discounts that we have here at the Haven by KFA. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.